Well, welcome back everyone to another episode of ShadeTV. My name is Marissa Hill, and today we are going to be taking a look at a women's exclusive. This is the Travis Scott collab that he did with Jordan Brand on the Air Jordan 1 Low. These are known as either, I guess, the Canaries or the Elkins. Let's take a quick sneak peek. Welcome back everyone to another unboxing and review. If you're joining us for the first time, welcome in. Be sure to hit that subscribe down below and give this video a thumbs up if you enjoy these unboxing and styling segments. Today we are going to be talking about a woman's exclusive sneaker. These are the Travis Scott Air Jordan 1 Lows in the Canary color scheme or known as the Elkins. So we'll go through the overview of these, jump into size and fit, followed by how I styled this beautifully color blocked pop of color. Then we will conclude with how crazy these are currently doing on the resale market. So let's jump right into it. As far as the material goes, they really killed it with this one. The materials on this are so astounding and so premium in comparison to a lot of my Air Jordan 1 Lows I've seen. So I was very excited when I pulled these out of the box. And you know, I realized that this was truly some premium stuff here. As far as why this video is going out so late, it took forever for these to get delivered to me. Not sure on the back end why that was, but that is why I'm putting this video out so late. I'm just happy, I guess, that they arrived and they're home safe with me in my hands to do this video for all of you. As far as the texture on the toe box here, you can see that this is really just a beautiful, fully pebbled and tumbled leather. They're calling it silver. It is a very just light toned gray. And then on the front of the toe box, again, this is a very premium kind of nubuck leather. It's super soft, super supple to the touch. I laced mine up with the canary yellow laces for a more kind of muted, more subdued look, but you do get two other wax laces. So you've got this nice royal blue tone. So I feel like if you want to really go all out and match the swoosh mark, you have that option. And you also have the option to use the red wax laces as well if you kind of want to match the subtle accents, which red is pretty much only really present on the Nike Air swoosh here on top of this black pull tab. And then of course on Travis's logo here where it says Cactus Jack. But other than that, not too much more red going on. As far as the tongue goes, you can't really see it because I have it laced up, but you do have Cactus Jack popping through in that royal blue tone underneath here. And then it is outlined in that nice canary yellow. As far as the eyelets go, that's also in the canary yellow. This is a very nice yellow as well. I feel like in certain lights, it could actually come off as more of a khaki kind of tone, which I think is making it a much easier to style yellow color combination. So let's take a look at those details, then move along to the side panels. All right, so wrapping around to the side panels again for both the medial and lateral side, same exact color blocking that you're going to see there with that nice pebbled leather that hits the swoosh mark in that royal blue tone. And of course, we've got the swapped swoosh mark on the lateral side of the sneaker. As far as the back of the heel, we're getting Travis's logo back here, and then the Air Jordan Wings logo on the right side of the sneaker, nicely embroidered. And then the interior for the insole, we've got Travis and Jordan's logo on one, and then Travis Scott and Nike Air on the insole for the other, and the insole is in a yellow hue. The sneaker is then completed with this nice gray tone for the midsole, and then we've got a nice, just simple gum bottom, which I think really just brings the sneaker together. As far as the box goes, I was pretty surprised actually they didn't decide to go with more of a summery hue for the box on this one. It's just kind of a mocha shade with a nice beige finish. But as far as the storyline goes, you're probably wondering why it's called the Elkins. That is because that is actually Travis Scott's alma mater. So he is from Missouri City in Texas, and he went to high school at Elkins High. And this is actually his alma mater's school colors. So that's why he's brought this back on the Air Jordan 1 silhouette to pay homage to his high school. All right, so let's take a look at those last and final details. As far as size and fit goes, I typically stick true to size on my low Air Jordan 1 silhouettes just because I feel like they fit me true to size. And again, this was a woman's exclusive, so this did only come in that woman's size range. All right, so as far as styling goes, I think that this is such a refreshing, fun color scheme for the summertime. So I feel like Jordan Brand really released this during the perfect time and the perfect season. So for my first look, I decided to keep it monochromatic with a light brown blazer, and I matched that with the same exact color and tone finish for some shorts. And then for the second look, I decided to switch up a little bit with a striped white and blue collared shirt that was in a terry cloth material. I layered that with a nice puffer vest in royal blue, and then wore some straight leg light denim pants. And then for the last and final looks, decided to go with some khaki pants since I do feel like the hues of this will pair nicely with any khaki shade. And then for the top, I decided to wear just a nice white ribbed tank, and I layered that with this button down in this nice yellow and brown tone.
to stop it. I've been on the way up cause they know I'm popping. Hits, no misses, clean up like the dishes. Ain't no point telling me to stop cause I won't listen. Every level got a new devil. I'ma give him hell cause I don't know better. I'm a born winner, I'm going all the way up. There's nothing you can do to make me ever give up. Let's go. I'm on the way up. I'm on the way up. I'm on the way up, going all the way up. I'm on the way up. I'm on the way up. I'm on the way up, going all the way up. I'm on the way up. I'm on the way up. I'm on the way up, going all the way up. I'm on the way up. I'm on the way up. I'm on the way up, going all the way up. I'm getting close. I can taste it. I'm going up like a spaceship. I'm shaking the ground. I'm making it loud. I go to work when nobody's around. It's time to get it. It's time to go.
So now let's conclude with how these are currently doing on the resale market. So these retailed at $150. They are currently going between $250 to $625, depending on what size range you are. All right, everyone, that is it for this unboxing and review. If you joined us for the first time, thank you so much. Be sure to hit that subscribe on your way out if you're not already subscribed to the channel, and give this video a thumbs up if you enjoy these unboxing and styling segments. My name is Marissa Hill. This is ShadeTV. We will catch you all in the next episode.
It's my time to blow, so I'ma steal the show. Ready, set, go. I'ma blow up like a C4. Tick.